What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. Hey guys, it's Friday. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do a very versatile sauce, or it's called a Tzatziki Sauce. It's a Greek yogurt sauce. If you're not familiar with it, whenever you get a gyro or a gyro, however you pronounce it, that's the sauce that's on top. So I'm going to show you how I put it together and how I make it. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. Let's get started with some Tzatziki sauce. So let me introduce you to my supporting cast. It's a very simple sauce. So flavorful though. So the first thing, of course, the star of the show is going to be my cucumbers. I use 2 cucumbers in here. Of course, my pink Himalayan sea salt, my black pepper. I got some minced garlic. Feel free to use regular garlic and mince it up yourself. I got some extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice, and some Greek yogurt. I choose to use Greek yogurt most of the time, but you can use any kind of just plain Greek yogurt that you want to. But that's the supporting cast. That's all there is to it, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cucumber and I'm going to cut the ends off of it. Just like that. Set that aside. And we're going to slice the cucumber right down the middle. Just like that. Now the part that we don't want is the seeds with a lot of juice in it. So I'm going to take the cucumber and I'm going to simply just de-seed it. Just take a big spoon and we're just going to scrape some of these seeds out of the middle. Just like that. Alright. We're going to do it to the other half. Real simple, just like this. Alright, get rid of all that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to simply just grate this cucumber down. Be careful. Got an old-fashioned grater here if you know about that. And we're just going to simply grate it. Just like that. Be careful of your hands. Now we're still going to have quite a bit of moisture in this. Just like that, guys. Simple as that. So I'm going to do the rest of them and I'll show you what I do next. Alright, so I've grated up these cucumbers, and as you can see, all of my innards are here, and I placed them on some paper towel. So I'm going to take this paper towel and just fold it up, and my hope is to get rid of some of this moisture. So I'm going to move it over to the sink and we're just going to squeeze out some of the excess moisture here. We don't want that in the sauce. We're going to squeeze that out as much as we can. Quite a bit in there, guys. Alright, so I think I got the majority of it all out. Just going to open this back up. We're going to pour it right back into our bowl here. Simple as that. Try to get as much as I can there. And discard of this. So now we got some dry, nice dry or semi-dry cucumber. I'm going to go ahead and add, we're going to add about 1.25 cups or 1.5 cups of the Greek yogurt. Here. Let's see where we're at. A little bit more. There we go. And we're going to add that directly to the cucumber. Very simple. Next thing we're going to add is 1 tablespoon or a little bit more. I like mine to be a little tartar, of lemon juice. That's a tablespoon. I'm adding a little bit more. Alright, the next thing we got to add to this is 1 tablespoon of our EVO, or extra virgin olive oil. There's a tablespoon, and I'm adding just a tad bit more. I like a little bit more on mine. So like I always say, you make this recipe your own. I'll give you the basic parts of it, but you make it your own. After that is about 1/2 clove of garlic. Now you guys know me, I love my garlic. So this is going to be more like a whole clove or maybe even 2. But I'm using minced garlic, as you can see. There's about 2 cloves of garlic I just added. So it calls for 1/2 clove. You can follow that to the T if you want to, but this is my recipe. I'm making it the way I want to. All right, so after that, it calls for a half a teaspoon of salt. I put about a teaspoon in there, and pepper to taste. You know me, I'm gonna add a little bit of more of that depending on how it tastes. Then we're just gonna simply mix this up. Now, sometimes I will go ahead and add more yogurt if I think it needs more, or more lemon juice, or more of whatever, depending on how it tastes. It all depends on the taste, guys, for me. If you watch my videos, you know that. Alright, so let me get a tasting spoon. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and a little bit more lemon juice. A little bit more salt. Tad bit more pepper. And these are my tastings. It's not the recipe. A little bit more lemon juice. Stir it up. Alright, let's give it another taste. See where we're at with it. There we go. That's the tanginess I was looking for. It's just that simple. A very simple tzatziki sauce. It's just that simple. So after that, you're gonna place it in the refrigerator for about 20-30 minutes. Let all the flavors meld together, and it's ready to go on your gyro. If you watch the video after this, you'll see me making the chicken gyro. So there you have it, guys. Homemade tzatziki sauce. Multiple applications, a very quick sauce to make. It's a basic yogurt sauce, but it goes good on a lot of different applications. But pay attention to my next video, which is going to be homemade chicken gyros. So, if you liked the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.